with me. And now it's gone.
Georgie.
All right, I've got the turnips. Now hoist me back up. What was that?
That was my trapdoor where I keep the spare. Oh! Drop the trapdoor. My spare rope is in here. Let me just. Oh. Sorry, that's my embarrassing nervous condition. It's a kick I've had ever since I went to high school. Don't.
Hey, yo, is there a bomb down here? Did you leave me down here with turnips and a pterodactyl and a bomb?
Oh, thank goodness you're here. I need you to cut a red wire or blue. But before I do, would you please rate my ventriloquist act? Hey, Captain Fred, how are you?
I see you fed my captive ventriloquist. He also didn't eat his turnips.
Oh no! Did someone have anal sex? Because it sounds like a robot.
Look, I'm gonna cut this red wire.
Okay.
This one right here.
Go ahead.
Here I go.
There you are.
All right, nothing happened.
Okay, that's good.
The red wire does nothing, Brian.
I know.
Don't cut it.
Let's get faster! Let's get on!
Hoist me up! Hoist me up, you son of a bitch! Hoist me up!
I want to be hoisted up! I don't want to be
No, you stay here with the turnips and your damn puppet!
You two will stop shouting all over the trapdoor to get the spare rope. Oh, there's my mucus. That happened. I got it all over my
Oh,
hands.
you're getting some in the hole! Oh, God! I'm getting some on the donkey! The donkey doesn't appreciate it.
Go to your side. Listen, I'm not big enough for this, but while I was down here, I slowly built a metal suit.
Brian, that was my bad, but enjoy it with my compliments, you non-turnip eating ingrate.
Listen, the gas is gonna come down here soon.
God, no,
Oh no, piranhas!
I was just hitting my gas expediter button.
Listen, you gotta put on this suit, and you gotta fly up to the top. I couldn't fit into it, that's why I didn't do it.
all right.
No, donkey, stop licking the salt!
All right. I'm gonna press the button to activate the jetpack.
The jetpack button always makes me laugh. It's a phony.
Pterodactyl, help him up! And get that cough checked out!
Oh, Tina! I didn't know this was so deep. Well, I'm back. And this jetpack might not work, but I'm wearing a metal suit. You missed! Let me try the other one. Wait, this isn't metal at all. It's some kind of flubber.
And if I'm gonna die, you're gonna live with flubber, you did! Oh no, the gas is about to go off! Oh no, it's shooting me instead! Ow! Bombs, they're weird.
The best bombs have built-in machine guns.
It's still shooting me?
Where's my bucket?
I don't know. Here, let me take off this helmet. Use that. The helmet made a weird noise when I took it off.
Well, now you're back in my kitchen.
Yes?
Have you changed your tune about eating the turnips? I see by that whistling you take a casual attitude. Brian, this is for your own good. You're coming with me. Now we've done.
Left. Yeah. All right. This is the game of left. We're going to see 3 different scenes. So for this scene, for John and Connor, give me something that's very heavy.
An anvil.
Bowling ball?
Bowling ball.
Bowling ball. All right. Left.
Anvil.
And then for these guys, give me something that you might be scared of that's not a clown or spiders.
Tiger.
What's that?
Snake.
The sun? You're scared of the sun.
Chinchilla.
Alright, the sun. And then for Seth and John, give me, how do these guys know each other? They're not related.
Ex-girlfriends.
Ex-girlfriends?
Yep.
Ex-girlfriends.
All right.
Something to do with ex-girlfriends.
Got
Alright,
it.
left. Alright, so we will see 3 different scenes, and they will turn left when I yell left. So the first scene will be about
Bowling ball.
left. Second scene will somehow be about
The sun.
left. And the third scene will in some way incorporate.
Ex-girlfriend.
Alright, left. And let's go back to the beginning. Guys, you ready?
Yes.
Begin.
First. This is an important shot. I got it. You gonna make the spare? Yes. I just gotta remember everything I learned. It's a close game. So it's a pressure situation. My bad.
All right, on my tippy toes. Top, tip, top.
You never beat me. Oh.
I missed.
Sorry.
Fine, you know what? You're so good. Go right ahead.
It is my turn. Dry him.
Hey, don't mess. Oh, I'm not good at trash talk.
No, you're not.
Oh! Looks like you lose.
Left.
I don't like to come out during the daytime. I have very sensitive skin.
Oh, well, I'm just glad that you decided to make this one exception for me, baby.
Yes, I think we should talk about our relationship. When I said I wanted to get closer to you, you might have misinterpreted what I meant.
What could you possibly mean? Bite my neck and suck my blood? You're silly! Let's get a pretzel.
So, Margie? Jane? Twice. Yeah? Well, you know, Jane she was an attractive woman. Yeah. Am I missing anybody?
Nope, thinking.
Jane and Jen. Did you ever Jane and Jen? Yeah.
Left.
It's big surgery you got here.
Yep, I got cannons that shoot out bowling balls.
Yeah.
So look out, I'm about to win this.
Took that loss pretty seriously.
Yeah. And in there, gunpowder. What?
Okay, let me go over this one more time.
Okay.
I do not intend to make you one of the undead. You are not my friend or my lover. For me, you are lunch.
Oh, okay. Just a piece of meat to you, am I?
A bag of blood, but yes, the sentiment is the same.
Oh my God! I
I
can't
would like
believe
you
you.
not to mention God in my presence.
Left.
So you were with Gretchen
Yeah. After she turned that guy into a robot at that time.
Look, buddy, if that's how you turn into a robot, then you can transform me any day. Let me tell you.
Left.
Well, you're just screwing me up, but I guess that's what I get for. You're just one big bowling ball now with a head.
Yeah, I
Gone
am.
this far.
I have.
That's commitment.
I want to win this game. All right.
You gonna pick up this spare?
Yeah, hold on. It's gonna take me a while to build up momentum. All right, here we go. Do you feel that strong gust of wind? Oh no! Oh my God!
I see. So you have now become a vampire hunter out of rejection.
Yeah.
But perhaps you did not know
What?
that we vampires can turn into mist. Turn into mist.
Oh wow.
All right, what the fuck, Jerry?
Looks like not everything of yours works all the time. Snap garlic!
Mrs. Haversham? Oh. Mrs. Haversham? Why do you think she didn't want Pip to marry? That was me, dog! I was in there. And then out before we got hitched, you know what I'm saying? No. Woo! Squeaker.
I heard about it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, I just can't help but see.
Look what you've done to me. I'm a giant duck pin.
Yes, you are. I'm so sorry.
And you a bowling ball.
Can we make it work?
I don't see why not.
Oh, come on in here for a hug.
I can't move.
Oh!
So how long are you going to torture me?
Until the end of time. I'm afraid
You're
so.
still looking for a relationship, aren't you?
I don't quit very much. Let's get some holy water.
Miley?
I mean, yeah, me and everybody, I guess, or whatever.
Just hanging out with the guy Rob right now.
Yeah, I heard that, yeah. So,
This is weird.
Betty?
Yeah.
With or without Veronica?
Well, I like Jughead to watch. but
Yeah,
not-
yeah.
And that's time! Give it up for the players, everybody.
We get it right. Yes.
All right. Up next is the dating game. What's going to happen is that you guys are about to see the dating game. We're about to do the dating game. What's going to happen is I'm going to get suggestions from you guys, and for each of these guys up here, and then with that, they shall then create a new character based off that suggestion. And then they are going to try to win the affection of our lovely bachelor or bachelorette. But here's the thing.
We're ready to date you.
You legally don't need to date them, I promise you. But this is another volunteer game. We need someone to come up here and just ask these lovely gentlemen just a couple of regular questions and to see who can find true love, because I feel like we can find true love here tonight. So who out there just needs a little companionship?
Come on, ladies.
Who here needs to just stand next to a guy who's been sweating a little too much because it's a little hot? Why aren't all their hands going up now? All we need is just a young guy, young gal, or old. They don't care. They're all in relationships, actually.
I think I saw her hand go up. Bingo.
Who? Okay.
You're the gentleman in the back there. All right.
Yeah, all right. Round of applause. Yeah, go ahead, sit there. What is your name?
Kyle.
Kyle, thank you for not making me look even more of an ass like I just was. I can't talk. All right, so Kyle, you are about to meet our three lovely contestants, but first we need suggestions for them. First, we have Matt, and for Matt, shout out something that you got maybe for like a birthday or a holiday that you did not like.
Chemistry set.
Chemistry set, okay. Chemistry set. All right, number two, for John, what is the one thing that you cannot live without?
Mascara. Cell phone.
Cell phone. All right. And lastly, for Sept, I want you guys to just shout out anything you want.
Hot
Erectile Wow, we have a theme tonight. All right. So I will act as the host, and I will guide you all around this, Kyle. You'll be just fine. So to review, you guys' suggestions are
A chemistry set?
yes,
Cell phone.
yes.
And erectile dysfunction.
Oh, you look too happy about that. All right, and I will act as the host, and we shall begin. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the dating game. Today we have our lovely contestant Kyle, and Kyle is going to choose one of our lovely contestants. But first, we need to know a little bit about the contestant number one. Please step forward and tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hello, my name is Igora, and I love helping out. You know, I work in a science lab, and I work for a mad scientist, which is fun. And you know, I don't get out to date a lot, which is why I'm here. I want to meet the nice guy. Not too many guys want to date a girl with a hump, but you know, but I'm looking for that one special guy, and I think you might be him, huh?
Igor, thank you so much. Oh. her lovely lady love. Number 2, please step forward and tell us a little bit about yourself.
How's it going? My name's Denise Tussie, and I love myself. I like to call my friends in the middle of the night and talk. Sometimes we share pictures. Maybe I'll call you.
You don't have to clap for that one. Number 3, please step forward.
Hello, I am Casey McGuire, and I am just looking for a man who can measure up where it counts. Several of my past boyfriends have had problems. Severe problems. Severe dysfunctional problems. That's all I want to say about that for right now.
Thank you, number 3. What on earth could you possibly be talking about? All right,
Oh,
Kyle.
you know.
Kyle, it is now your turn to ask a question. You can choose to ask any question you want to any of the contestants, or you can address it to all 3. So in the microphone, what's a question that you would like to ask?
Each one of you, describe your perfect date.
Oh, that's good. Number 1, step forward.
Thank you for asking. My perfect date does not involve grave robbing, because I do enough of that at work. It does not involve stealing brains, because I do enough of that at work. It does not involve hoisting things, but it does involve lots of humping.
I get it. All right, number 2, please step forward.
You can do whatever you want with those pictures. I sent them to you for a reason. I'm sorry, I gotta go. Hi, I'm Denise Tussie, and I love myself. I think I heard earlier what would be the perfect date. I don't fucking care where we go. I can stay home as long as I can look you up and give you a fucking call. Maybe snap a few photos of the junior high and up nature. You know, things can get pretty crazy. I'll send you some pictures, you send me them back. Send them right back. I like that, thank you.
Do we have any spare spray jackets in the back? Number 3, please tell us your perfect date.
Well, I am tired of men picking me up in their big old cars in an attempt to impress me. It doesn't work, which has been the problem for many of my dates in the past. What I would really like is just a man to take me to a restaurant, to look into my eyes, and then to goddamn perform in the bedroom when it comes to be time.
Girl knows what she wants.
Yes,
All right.
and let me just say,
Oh,
that
you're not
even
done.
if your dick doesn't work, your tongue does. Or should.
Hey, sister, soul sister. Kyle, do you have another question for our contestants?
Igora, yes.
Oh, you're a very good listener.
I tried. How do you plan on getting rid of your hump? Because I don't really like that.
Really, when I think I would find somebody who loves me for me, they wouldn't want me to change anything about me. But they're kind of hot, so I would go to a chiropractor, I guess.
Changing yourself because someone more attractive wants you to?
Yes.
That's life! Do you have another question, Kyle?
Any questions?
Oh, Kyle's asking the crowd. Now, crowd, you're allowed to shout out a question that you may want to know about our contestants. So please, what's a question you would like to ask one of our contestants' audience?
Denise, what would you do without your cell phone?
Oh, snap!
Just put your father on the line. I'm sorry. I can't believe you still have a landline. Let me talk to you. I'm sorry, I gotta go. I believe I heard my name. What would I do without my precious cell phone? My God, that would take me back to the late 90s. Sexting with the landline was extremely difficult, but I made it happen. Pushing my big boobies against those numbers. So much easier before there was caller ID. I made it happen. 6 months in the clinic, set me straight. I got out, thought I was cured. Cell phones weren't fed. I've been a happy girl since. Sorry for the question.
I literally have no idea what to say about that. All right, let's have one final question. Kyle?
Casey?
Yeah?
So how do you help to get your guys aroused since they seem not to work for you?
I like to think that they don't work for anybody and that it's not just me, but if the guy
Be
needs...
creative.
Well, you know, I have a tried and true method that I've used. What I like to start off with is a little gentle massage, followed by about 5 to 10 minutes of strong yanking and pulling.
At a cup.
I'm sorry?
At a cup.
At a cup. Well, okay, for him or me, I'm not sure.
I think we're learning more about Kyle than
Should I continue? I can.
Kyle, are you satisfied with that answer?
All right. Well, if the yanking and pulling doesn't work, I usually spit on my knuckles and then just use his balls like.
Yeah, okay, you are done. All right, calm down, Rocky. All right, Kyle, the questions have been asked and they have been very weirdly answered. So now I'm going to come to you and I'm going to ask you who it is you choose. And when you do, if you wouldn't mind, just step in front of the stage with that person. And so then we can all admire, bask in the glory, and then I can possibly take a photo and put it up on our Facebook page to promote this. Is that okay? Yeah, all right, so...
So I'm going with...
Wonderful!
Kiss, kiss.
Hopefully that works. Dumb iOS 7.
And thank you to Kyle and for all our volunteers. You guys make the show work. We couldn't do it without you. Thanks so much for coming out. We are Porkchop Volcano. We're pretty much here every other week. Check us out on Facebook. You can see our schedule. Like us on Facebook. That'll make us feel wonderful. It's been a pleasure. And
in a half an hour, 10:30, there will be an open mic here. The best of DC's comics will be here. I highly recommend it. And with that, just enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you.